but we can't get so distracted by the latest bluster that we lose sight of the policies that will actually help working families get ahead. So it's understandable that parents get concerned. Some fathers who feel they can't support their families get distracted.
But we're not going to be able to do it if we are distracted.
Every fleeting issue that passes by, but the middle class will always be my number one focus.
When others have been distracted by petty arguments, our men and women in uniform come together as one American team. We can't be distracted.
The United States of America will not be distracted or deterred from what must be done. We are heirs to a proud...
In moments when we are tested, as a military, as a nation, sometimes we get distracted by what divides us and lose sight of what unites us.